It's a very exciting day at TFL Truck because we have a new long-term pickup. It's this 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2, the most off-road capable new full-size truck from Chevrolet, and we have huge plans for it. In a couple days, I'm going to take it to Moab, over the Rocky Mountains here in Colorado and into Utah. We're going to do many videos over the coming months, but I want to try something new. We partnered with Avalon King, and part of this is a huge investment. This truck cost us about $67,000, which is a sticker price. It's very nice. It's brand new. We want to protect the look of it for many years to come. So I want to try this, the new Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. So this is the plan we have. First, let me explain why this blue line is cutting the truck in half. We're going to ceramic coat this driver's side of the vehicle all the way, including the glass, and this side will be basically factory, so hopefully we'll be able to tell the difference over time about how this ceramic coating is actually working and helping us. Why are we doing this? This Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating is basically wax on steroids. We're lucky, this is a brand new truck, it's already very clean, the paint is in nice brand new condition, and we want to protect it, we want to seal it. You can also do this to an older vehicle, an older pickup truck or a car, anything like that, but you would have to spend a lot more time cleaning it first, maybe using a clay bar, other waxes, because you want to seal in a really good paint. So we do have to wash this truck, we do have to prep it, we do have to seal it. So my buddy Grant, we're going to be working together. Actually, Grant is going to do the grunt work, and I'm going to take it to Moab, so I have a fun job. First step, have a truck. Okay, done. Second step, like I said, we have to wash it. We'll be using this, their Prep shampoo. And it's pretty easy. You can actually go to any self-wash out there and use some of this and actually get it very clean. Like I said, you want to get all the grime, all the bugs, everything off your paint. By the way, you can also apply it to plastics, so all the hard surfaces. The body of the truck, the plastics, the glass. It's a hydrophobic coating, which means it basically repels water. So it should help you with visibility even on the windshield. So this is the first step, is the shampoo. Grant and I are at a local truck wash. We rinsed off the truck to begin with, and we're gonna use the Prep shampoo, 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water with some soap, and then a second bucket to kind of wash it off. So soap here and rinse over there. So let's get to work. This is do-it-yourself kit, so it is pretty simple. The second step is Ipa Prep spray. This is basically an alcohol solution that you apply to the surface areas that you're gonna coat, and it's the final cleaning step just to make sure everything is kind of cleared off and very nice and clean. And the final step, of course, is the Armor Shield 9, the latest ceramic coating from Avalon King. And like I said, we're gonna be only applying that to the driver half side of our ZR2. Finally, the coating itself. Well, first of all, you gotta be in a well-ventilated area. If you're applying it outdoors, well, hopefully it's not too windy, and also it cannot be applied in direct sunlight. And of course, you have to have some protection, some gloves, eye protection, stuff like that. And then you put a little bit on the applicator and just wipe it on. Like I said, we'll be doing several coats. Huge thanks to Grant for doing the work and covering the entire half of the truck in the latest Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. He told me it took him about 3.5 hours, but he did 2 coats and he used a little bit more than 1 bottle. So if you want to do the entire truck like this, Silverado ZR2 crew cab truck, you probably need 2 of these kits so you have to budget for that. And also he waited between coats a little bit, so that overall time, yes, it takes a little bit because you have to clean it and then apply it and clean it, but I cannot wait to get the tape off this truck and prepare to go to Moab and cross the Rocky Mountains and then go to Utah. All right, so about 300 miles later from Colorado into Utah, I'm here at Onion Creek. Don't mind this, it's only gonna rain for like the next 8 hours, but we're gonna put the ceramic coating to the ultimate test because it's windy, it's wet, it's gonna rain pretty soon. So let's see how far I can get and how much mud I can put on this truck. It already has many bugs and everything else on it, but let's keep going. The Avalon King ceramic coating is really hydrophobic, which means it's supposed to repel water. And it is on the glass, on the windshield, that it's on the driver's side of the vehicle. So yeah, I'm trying to get it as dirty and nasty as possible. It is raining, which is awesome. This also allows me to have a little bit more water, hopefully a little bit more mud. And if it's not mud, then we'll get some more bugs on the highway. And actually we have to cross the Rocky Mountains again on the way home. So hopefully we can get some snow, slush, rain, and actually put it to the ultimate test and see how easy it is to clean in the very end. So I went to Moab, Utah with this truck, tried to get it dirty. Okay, a little bit of dirt. I also stopped at Loveland Ski Area and Vail Pass in the Rocky Mountains. Once again, not super dirty. So finally I'm here at Tumbleweed Ranch, our property, to get it dirty. Let's see how it works. Well, that took some doing, but thankfully Tumbleweed Ranch came through. Like we showed you, the driver's side is ceramic coated. And I'm really glad because it looks like I hit a couple of branches here, just kind of brushing by the truck, but I know it's protected. Well, now it's up to me and Grant to go to the truck wash and get this puppy clean. Alright, did you see that, guys? It's hydrophobic, so it's really, I mean, I'm impressed. This is Colorado clay and mud, and it just fell off this side. That was pretty easy. That's like 2.5 minutes. Come here for a sec. So on this side, not coated side, you could see some bugs. You can see a little bit of bugs still there. On the other side, they just fell off right there. Just the Armor Shield 9 do-it-yourself kit is $69.99 for one bottle. The full kit, including the ceramic prep shampoo and the prep spray that I showed you, is $117. Find out how many bottles of Armor Shield you need and whether or not you qualify for a discount by clicking on the link right here. Your truck or car is an asset. Protect it like the investment it is with Avalon King ceramic coating. Go to Avalon King today by clicking on the link in the description below. So that was my first experience with ceramic coating, and I gotta say it's a great one. Here's why. First of all, anybody can do it. Grant and I worked together on this project. Second, it's guaranteed, but most importantly, when I hit that branch at Tumbleweed Ranch and I was worried about scratching, no scratches were there. It was well protected, and then it was super easy to clean, which is the ultimate bonus. I like my truck clean. So check out Armor Shield 9 by Avalon King for yourself using the link below, and come back to alltfl.com for everything automotive.